Empty. Hi, George. Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Sam, and today on Schrock Farms, we are doing a little combining of corn and just a little bit of planting cover crops. So this morning I filled up the planter with some rye, and here we got the planter set up. I think my dad's gonna come out and he's gonna be doing some planting. I am going to be, so he's gonna plant this field and that field, and then I'm gonna be finishing up. There's a little piece over there. But anyway, that is the plan for today. A little planting, a little combining. Hopefully everything runs smooth, nothing breaks, and I will catch up with you later. My last row, and I jammed up three jams right here. Last row. Just as you can see here, this is how bad some of our fields have gotten. This one's just out of control. It's right here next to the highway too, so that's a double plus. But this is going to be the last field, and then I'm going to be done harvesting for 2023, so that's always a plus. Is that a turnip? What is that? A radish? A turnip? What is that? Looks like I have caught a turnip. That is a first. Alrighty, so I finally finished up that field. It is pretty freaking late. 9:40. That is that is way too late. So now I have to go hop in the 7230, go pick up those wagons that I just filled up with corn, and then unload those, and then I'm gonna hop into the planter, the 8225R, and hopefully plant some cover crops in the field that I started in this morning. So it's about to be a pretty late night, but that's pretty usual when it's harvest season. So anyway, anywho, anything cool pops up, I will let you guys know. One thing that I forgot to mention was I picked some of these radishes that were volunteer cover crops from, I think, 2 years ago, and they just keep coming back. But this one is absolutely gigantic. It's almost the size of my head. Alrighty guys, I am back in my favorite tractor, the 8225R. We're planting a little bit of cover crop. Like I was saying earlier today, my dad started this field and I'm finishing it up. It is about 12:40, almost 1. So I'm a little gassed, but it started sprinkling a little bit on the last load of corn that I was putting away. So I'm gonna try to get this piece of ground finished tonight, so because this is gonna be our seed rye for next year. So it's kind of important to get it in the ground and ready to roll before this rain, if it does rain, because who knows, it might just sprinkle and then that'll be that, and I should have went to bed or something crazy like that. But anyway, I will chat at you guys later. Alrighty, so it is 2:30 in the morning. I am totally gassed out. I've got all the seed rye planted. This little piece here. I thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Sam Schrock, and I will catch up with you tomorrow.